will the honking ever stop? On June 28th, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin appealed to Chennai motorists to stop unnecessary honking and to sign and spread an e-pledge. The Greater Chennai Traffic Police undertook the anti-honking campaign at several locations. But at the end of the week-long campaign, the culture of keep calm and carry on honking remained undisturbed. Historian V. Sriram, a supporter of the No Honking campaign, observed that the first cars which were imported from Japan in the 80s and 90s had horns that wore out very quickly. These horns had the life of around 1 lakh horns, plenty for Japan, but only a month's worth for Indians. A. Kalai Selvi and A. Ramachandraya, researchers who studied Chennai's honking patterns, observed that harsh honking sounds were found to have a decibel level of 116 dB, where only 110 dB is the average human pain threshold. Reasons for the constant honking. Indian roads are not the widest. Thus, high-speed vehicles, two-wheelers, carts, pedestrians, and even stray animals compete for this space. Traffic police don't regularly pounce upon errant drivers. For the motorist, honking seems the only method to make way. Larger vehicles want to show dominance over smaller vehicles like two-wheelers. Two-wheelers like honking just for fun, especially on interior roads. And traditional impatience at traffic intersections for a red signal culminates in loud bursts. Policemen exposed to constant honking and Chennai auto rickshaw drivers who are known to tamper with their silencers are the sufferers of this noise pollution. One study by H.D. Anil and his colleague of Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, Bengaluru, showed 40% of auto rickshaw drivers displayed noise-induced hearing loss in that city. So, what are the things that can be done? This initiative needs constant follow-up. If the police find someone honking in haste at road intersections, a warning, a traffic record, and later a fine should be given. Fear of enforcement needs to be established to subdue the honking mania. Public health studies of their own staff can help the police determine how many have hearing loss. And for the rest of the public, it's best to go with earplugs now.